this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package, as well as the Lariat Sport Appearance Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear view sensing, as well as that nice backup camera right there. And moving to the side, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front tire wells, as well as a nice grip running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. And this vehicle does come equipped with 20-inch dark 6-spoke alloy wheels, which provides a nice clean look to the vehicle. Moving to the front, we do have side view cameras right there, as well as front view sensing, that license plate bracket, 2 tow hooks, as well as a front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see the vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, but if you don't need that 5th additional person, you can always pull this down for 2 cup holders and an extra arm room. We do have black leathered perforated seats, as well as light gray stitching and brown accents. We have plenty of door space, as well as a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We also have nice brown leather accents, and 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated seats, a 12-volt outlet, a USB-C and a USB, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are powered with some nice chrome accents. We also have black leathering and perforated seats with that brown and gray stitching we saw at the back. We also have plenty of door space, that nice brown leathering, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You have your parking brake, your pedal adjuster, your 2 blind spot detections, and your power onboard and your tailgate opener. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 28 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, we have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with our toggle for our main menu up there, our phone and media controls, volume and voice, as well as our cruise control there. With our main screen up here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking to the right, we also have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing with a lot of extra room, as well as a nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad right there, as well as plenty of space, a USB and a USB-C. And looking over here, we have a nice leather-wrapped center console, which can be folded out like this for an extra workbench, or the place to put your food. You can also lift it up this way, if it wants to work, for plenty of storage, with that being able to move side to side or take it out, with the USB and a USB-C down there. We also have our 4-wheel drive, rear axle lock, and drive mode right there, as well as our trailer disconnect and pro trailer assist. We have a 12-volt outlet and a 120-volt outlet. We have heated steering wheel and heated and cooled front seats, plus dual climate, so no need to fight over the temperature. Your media controls are right there. We have our auto stop and auto start, our 360 view of the vehicle, our park aid, hazards, and traction control. For our drive modes, we do have normal, tow and haul, eco, and sport. And all the way to the right now, we have slippery, deep sand and snow, and mud and ruts. Now looking at our main screen, we have our audio, our phone controls, navigation so you don't get lost, your fave apps such as Messenger and email, settings, driving assist, so on and so forth. We do have a Wi-Fi hotspot equipped in this vehicle, apps, so any apps you have downloaded. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as navigation, sound, Ford Assist, so on and so forth. Come on. Features of the vehicle such as driving assist, pro power onboard, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. And looking above me, we do have our functions for a twin panel moonroof, as you can see there, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, as well as a rear window opener, which is pretty nifty. The stock number for this vehicle is KF40248, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.